What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my dirt bike. Hasn't been changed in like 100 hours. So we're going to be changing the oil today. But first, we got to get oil because mine takes a quart and there's like half a quart in there. So we're going to the dirt bike store. See y'all there. Delicious. Made it, everyone. Look at all those toys. Okay, we're going inside now. We've equipped the oil, everyone. Look at all this stuff. All right, we're going to the bikes and looking at them now. Look at all these fresh bikes. Here's mine. There's the big one. And then we got all the big race bikes, buddy. I need that right there. Big old 450. I think that's a 24 because of the graphics. A lot of these are 24s, I think. They're ginormous. And then also there's a bunch of 4s. I gotta show y'all something else. This Yamaha R3, buddy. This thing will gap my dirt bike by a lot. She's sick. This flipping, I don't even know if it's a triple R, but it's sick. Go on this thing one day, flipping 4-seater. Sheesh, digital. Flipping clap wagon. It's not a clap wagon, but it is. Really rip it on this. I think my YouTube would really love me. Here, I got something. Look at this supermoto. Cleaning all those old crotch rockets. Them are nice. We got the oil equipped. Now let's go change it. You're going in time lapse right there. All right, we're home. We've equipped the oil. So let's get the oil and take it to my dirt bike. And I need to shrink in the wideness of my lens. So let's get the oil really fast. Sit it over here. We need to put it probably by the place where we put it in. Get our oil, and let's get our tools. Because we're gonna need tools, and there's the old oil. We don't want that. Shing! We got our, did I just hit y'all? I sure did. I'm sorry about that. We have the thing to take the bolts out, and our drain pan, a Lowe's bucket cut in 2 pieces. In 1 piece is what I mean, but take this junk out and plop it on. Then, perfect. Now, let's let this thing warm up. We're chilling. Let's let this thing warm up for a tiny bit to get the oil warm. good. We got it. Oh no. What the heck? Alright, let's change this oil now, shall we? Alright everyone. Probably not the best camera view, but it will work. We're gonna take this drain plug out and oil will go everywhere, ideally. And I think this is gonna be some pretty warm oil because I had it running for a little bit. I don't know. I can't see. Let me get under here. It's kind of hard to do on a stand, but I did it on the stand so I could get a better view for y'all. Okay, here it comes, baby. Don't drop it. You see how smooth I can do this? Look at that. Look how good I am. I'm the best. Look at that oil. Looks like some pretty dirty oil. Looks black. You see, it's all right, dirty. Now we gotta let this drain for a little bit. I need to wash this thing. We're gonna wash it, maybe. I might do it in this video, just do it a maintenance video. It's drizzling, slowly but surely. It likes to drizzle. Alright, I'll come back when this is all empty. I'll let it empty for a little bit. So, yeah. Alright, we have the oil all drained. It's barely dripping, like barely. It's almost done. It's not even dripping out of the drain plug. Hold on, let's get this and wipe it. Ching, 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 ching. Oh, it's all up under my skid plate. Maybe I'll let it drip. Get that out of there. Oh my gosh. Some nice oily rag. Anyways, just let that drip. Just let it drip. Alright, we got this done. Now I'm gonna set y'all up, and there might be stuff all over the lens because I see stuff. But let's go ahead and put y'all up there. Put y'all in here. Okay, does that camera look good? What if I did over here? Maybe that would look good. I'm trying to find some good camera spots. I think I'm gonna do that one right there. Okay. Let's put the lid on this oil. I just took the little metal cap off, so it should be chilling. Just put this drain plug in. From how hard I rip, my oil probably needs to be changed. It hasn't been changed in about 100 hours, so it was due a long time ago. What am I sitting on? Cold concrete. Alright, let's put this stick in. Alright, we're good. There's oil all over the socket, bruh. Going now. And sorry I didn't post yesterday. I was trying to post every day, but I've been posting for 3 weeks every day, so that's pretty good. Oh no, there goes my paper towel. let's get this nice and tight so we don't see that. So when I rip, this extension's like so annoying right now. Should have hand tightened it first. Not gonna lie, that'd be smart to do right now anyway. It's there. Alright, we gotta tighten it a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. You don't want it too tight, but you want it tight where it doesn't fly out when you ride. Alright, let's torque this thing down. There. That's good. Let's do it one more little. That's good. It's in there. Alright, now we're gonna put some oil in it. Alright, we're back. And we're gonna get some oil. I got the oil. Let me go grab it really fast. Here's the oil. I'm gonna get a funnel. I'll be back. Hold on. I got the thing. I'm gonna wipe it out really fast in case there's any debris in this thing. So let's wipe it out. Hold on. About done. Good. Now I sit this in there, and you're gonna want to put a little bit of oil in here. As you know, we're doing an oil change, so you want to put some in there. It's like 1 quart or 1 liter. So let's dump this stuff in here. Look at that fresh oil. Is it coming out the bottom? Nope, we're good. So let that go down in there. So let that go down in there. How much is in this thing? Alright, let's check it. Thing's really drinking it. Alright. Now that's, we might need to add a little bit more, but this should be good. Let's put our dipstick down in there, screw it in, take it back out. Alright, let's see what we're at. Okay, we need to add some more, everyone. Let's put our funnel back in there. Fresh yellow oil. Alright, now let's check it. Boom. Okay, with the top. Now let's check it. But we're spot on. Alright, let's take this out. And hold on. Let me check it. because there's still some on there from the other one. Perfect. We have right on the line. So just tighten this in there. Boom. So that's how I changed my oil on my dirt bike. There's the old. Y'all can't see it, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And sorry I didn't post yesterday. And I'm at 6,200 subscribers, so thanks to everyone that has subscribed. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We got fresh Honda oil in this thing. And peace out.